Hi guys, in today's video I am showing you how can you recover your deleted Instagram reels and picture. The process is quite simple and easy. First, open your Instagram app. Once it will be opened, simply tap on your profile icon, which is at the bottom right. You can see from here, I have only one picture here, and if I tap on this icon, you can see none of my video is here. Because mistakenly, I deleted my video. How can I recover? The process is simple. Tap on these three lines which are at the top right, and tap on the third option, your activity, and you will see the option, recently deleted. Tap on this. As you see, here is my deleted picture. And for the video, tap on this video icon, and here is my recently deleted video. For recovering this, tap on this video, tap on these three dots which are on the right bottom, and tap on the option, restore. Again, tap on the option, restore. The video has been restored. Do the same with your picture. Tap on this. Tap on the three dots which are at the top right, and tap on the last option, restore. Again, tap on the option, restore. Now let's see our restore picture and video. Now I am heading back to my profile section. So as you see, my video and picture has been restored successfully. So by using this method, you can restore your reels and picture easily on Instagram.